How to remove resign employee in SSS employer account. Log into employer account. Ilalagay natin user ID and password, then click sign in. So guys, na-open na natin account ng employer. So sunod, click payment reference number or PRN. Then next, click natin contributions. So guys, after natin napindot yung contribution, ito ang lalabas, prepared electronic contribution collection list para po sa month of March. So pag pinindot mo naman tong download, makikita mo dyan yung PRN. So since ang topic natin ay how to remove resign employee, so i-click natin yung cancel button. After natin mapindot yung cancel, may lalabas na information. You cannot undo this action. Do not proceed when payment was already made. Are you sure this PRN is not yet paid for and should be canceled? So, basta guys, hindi pa paid yung PRN. So, click natin yes button. So, after natin mapindot yung yes button, so, maglalagay ka ng reason for cancellation at least 10 characters long. So, just input, remove, resign employee. After ma-input yung reason for cancellation, click submit button. So, ayan na guys, bumalik na siya sa summary. Makikita mo dyan for the applicable month of March 2023. Tapos, yung Social Security contribution, total, 142,380. Then, meron siyang employee compensation contribution, 1,920. Total of 144,300. So, ganun kalaki yung binabayaran namin guys, kada buwan. So, next guys, click natin collection list details. So, after natin mapindot yung collection list details, so, nandito na tayo sa list of employees. Then, hanapin natin guys, yung i-remove natin na resign employee. Makikita nyo dito sa right side, merong pencil icon. So, yan ang pipindutin natin. After natin mapindot yung pencil icon, tapat ng pangalan ng employee na nag-resign. So, may lalabas siya na edit status. Tapos dito sa remarks, click this employed. Merong tatlong pagpipilian dyan guys. Una, employed. Pangalawa, terminated. Pangatlo, no earnings. So, pipiliin natin ay terminated or resign. Then, click submit button. So, as you can see guys, nag-change na ang status from employed to terminated na. Next natin gagawin ay i-edit natin ang monthly compensation from 14,820 to 0.00 para hindi na siya masali guys sa payment ng contribution. Kasi walang mangyayari kung ang i-edit mo lang yung status. Kailangan yung monthly compensation, i-edit mo din. Gawin mo siyang 0.00. After natin ma-change yung status at saka monthly compensation, so, click natin Save Changes button. So, ayan na guys. Na-save na natin. Makikita nyo sa baba, meron pa siyang date. April 14, 2023. Tapos meron siyang time at 10:27 AM. Yun guys, ganun lang kadali. Mag-remove ng resign employee sa SSS employer account. So, kung meron kayong mga tanong, just comment down below. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa sunod kong mga video and tutorial. Maraming salamat! Bye!